Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a simplified version of a Mississippi mud pie. You will need 25 Oreo cookies, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolates, 3 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 5.9 ounce box of instant chocolate pudding, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, and cocoa powder to garnish. Using a food processor, blend your cookies into small pieces. Now add the melted butter and continue to blend until well combined. Now place your mixture into a pie dish and form your crust. Place your crust in the refrigerator and allow it to sit for 1 hour. In a small pan, melt your chocolate. Now add the condensed milk and mix until well combined. After 1 hour, remove your crust from the refrigerator, then evenly spread your chocolate onto your crust. To your mixing bowl, add the heavy cream and sugar. Mix to form your whipped cream, then set it aside until later. To your mixing bowl, add your pudding mix and your milk and mix until well combined. Now add 1/2 cup of whipped cream and mix until just incorporated. Now spread the chocolate mixture onto your pie. Top with the whipped cream, then sprinkle with your cocoa, and then your pie is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.